Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about Indian Army, whatever the jobs we have, that is clerk, SKT, technical, nursing, as well as GD and tradesman. So, all these posts, how he can reach up to the brigadier rank and above. The reason is maximum people are interested in joining the army, and as per the whatever the qualification you have, with that qualification itself, we can reach up to the brigadier and above. How it is, we'll just go through. As it is shown that initially we have the recruitment pattern, as you can see how exactly you have to go through the notification and apply online and prepare for the physical as well as medical examination, that we are aware. So I request whoever is watching this video, please go through all the slides. They are very interesting, that give you maximum information regarding your examination purpose, whatever the promotions and everything you have, what are the branches. And I request after this watching this video, you comment me how many marks you had given out of 100, and I request you to share it to maximum people whoever are aspirants towards Indian Army. So let us see what we have initially. We knew that once you are in the rally, you have to go through whatever the rally as well as medical. That will be once you are clear in the physical examination, all the physical obstacles, 1600 meters running and everything you got clear, then you have the medical test. As you can see how exactly the chest measurement be done, and once you are clear in medical as well as physical everything, then you will be given an admit card for the examinations. Once you have received the examinations admit card, you write the examination and attend the whatever the examination concerning syllabus, do the preparation for the exam and clear the exam. Once you have written the examination, after 10 days the exam results will be announced. Within that 10 days itself it will be announced, and you have to be ready for the next procedure. That is what we have. I request check playlist where you will find near about more than 800 question papers for various examinations have been given. Once you have a visit, you will find Air Force, Army, Navy, MNS, everything, whatever the Army clerk examination, all question papers have been given. You have a look, you will really like it. Once you like it, you better share it to your friends. Once you are clear with the results of whatever the physical as well as medical and followed by the written examination is got cleared, then you got the result also. Now you will be called for the document verification, that is DV. So once you have cleared the exams, you ask your friends or call your staff, whoever is whoever was present during the time of recruitment, take the numbers from the staff. You call the staff and ask them for the document verification. That will be maximum within a period of 1 week. You will be called to the respective places after the exam got cleared. So whatever the results have come, so then go to the place wherever he has been called you. So then you go there, and once you get the result, then attend the document verification, complete all the formalities, time with the dedication. So whatever the formalities you have, whatever the notary you have to make and attestations and everything, whatever is required, the documents have to be crystal clear, and you can directly go for the document verification. And the allocation of the branches, we knew that as per the branches you will be given in that document verification itself. Now we have the army clerk branch. Whoever has applied for the army clerk, now this is the topmost best job in army. Whoever has done graduation intermediate, they have to clear this army clerk exam. This is one of the finest job. If you want a question papers how exactly the examination paper is, you can directly go through my playlist. The best job among all the branches, that is clerk branch. Fastest promotion in it exists. The nature of work is commendable. The officer selection will be easier for these branches, so that because they are good in English as well as all the subjects, so he can clear and crack this any kind of examinations in the upper level. He should be well versed. Obviously he is well versed in knowledge as well as all the subjects. So next after this we have the army technical branch, that we can see whoever is merit wise good. In the case of general duty branch, whatever the technical branch people, whoever is technically, they are good at all the subject wise. So then you are the techie lover, then you can go for this branch. If he is fit to clear the HMT exam, that is Havaldar Major Technical Examination, then he can get fastest promotion and he can become the junior commissioned officer's rank at the earliest as a Naib Subedar, and further he can go for any kind of commissioned officers exams also. He fit to be the technical officer and chances are very more. After you clear that HMT, you have the chances to go for various examinations. Now we have the Army Nursing Assistant, that is, as you can see, these branches have various options to join in different sub branches if their interest in the respective fields like dental, pathology, lab assistant, and many more. There are various departments, sub departments, depends on the performance of the individual. He can be chosen for the different type of sub branches. Again, there will be a departmental test for the various examinations and various branches. Depends on the branches, they will be having the promotion scale, and they can crack the easily for the officers level jobs with their good qualification, and the promotions are fastest in few branches. Now we have general duty Army GD exam. This is like general duty natures. Selection process is easier because the vacancies are more. Selection process also easier compared to other branches. The candidates are young and dynamic. The options are exist to become para commando or commandant staff with their performance in exam and order of merit in physical and written examination, whatever they had given. If their performance is good in both the things, they can offer these kind of activities. There were some places people have told that during the document verification, the merit candidates have been chosen for the commandant staff and they have been chosen for the commando, para commando. You ask the staff whether there is any list of commandant staff or para commando, because maximum people got repented after seeing that, sir, the time has gone, we should have come up earlier. So ask the staff, whoever has gone for the document verification. If you have any query, you can call me. I will clear all your doubts. This is the least qualified among all the jobs. As you can see, army tradesman duties. Among all these, little bit least qualified because of the 8th standard and 10th standard basis. This job helps individual to learn the etiquette with the officers and families. This is one thing. You will be accompanied the families of the officers and you will learn the maximum etiquettes, how you have to behave with the people. He will assist the officers and live the life with peace and leads his family life well. This is one thing you have to remember. He will assist the officers and live the life with peace and leads his family life well. He should be at speaking and obey senior orders. He has to be good at speaking as well as he should obey the senior orders. He has to be reliable and should improve the education for various exams with the approval of the senior officers. So if he wants to do something good in his life, he has to improve, though he gets little bit time. So he has to support his family as well as he has to cope up his own career also. Now we have the basic training of all whatever the branches. That is the common for all the branches. That is minimum of 6 months is mandatory for all the branches. The centers will be allotted as per the merit in physical and medical with respect to their branches that are allotted during the document verification. So whatever the branch you get, whatever the place you get, that will be as per the merit and the branches have been allotted. That place you have to go and do the training. Accomplish all the tasks and perform well in the sports in which you have interest and get the recognition and participate up to the command and army level. This is the place where you can perform well in the sports. If you are good in sports of various sports, that is, if you are good in volleyball, then you can go for volleyball. If you are good in any sports, you perform well and show your strength and join in the command level, and further you will be recognized up to the army level also if you are good enough in the sports. Then further, after the completion of this basic training, you have to give the leave for 1 month. After finishing the 1 month of leave, then you will be sent for the advanced training. That professional training you will be having that for the period of 3 to 4 months depending upon their branch. The professional training merit gives you the best place of transfer, and that helps you to achieve the fastest promotion and will help you in the promotion a lot. So if your percentage is more enough in cracking your percentage, then you will have the maximum options in promotion, as well as you can opt for the army cadet college also. That will be very easier for you in your unit level. The advanced training makes you fit as per your profession, so that helps you in profession. Maximum works will be learned in the professional knowledge. So once you get the maiden posting, the first posting will be as per your merit. That depends on the place to place, whatever you get, and understand the nature of the job and whatever you had learned during the training, professional training. Learn the nature of the work and perform well in your profession. You have to perform well. You should not do any kind of fuck ups over there. You have to work very hard. Get the confidence in all the duties. Whatever the activities have been given, duties have been given, you have to work properly and get the name and confidence from your seniors. Take the approval to appear in various examinations. If you want to pursue any kind of graduation of open distance or any education, you apply for it. And besides that, you can apply for the army cadet college, which is very important for the commissioned officer. If you are good enough in English language, have the professional knowledge also, because you may be asked in interviews. That professional knowledge has to be a mandatory, because on the basis of those profession you will be given the branches after the becoming an officer in army. Focus on communication skill. How you have to induct in ACC, that is improving the communication skills and learn the procedure and content required for the SSB interview. This is one thing you have to remember. I am also the candidate of SSB. You have to go for various SSB interviews, as well as you have to learn English in a proper manner and attend the SSB interviews procedure and watch videos online. You have various options nowadays. Watch whatever the videos we have and practice yourself, and go for the SSB coaching whenever is applicable during the time of when you are on leave. So the coaching centers are available, that is in Chandigarh, Bangalore. There are various places which are topmost centers. You go there and go for the SSB of near about 2 weeks. It will take near about 15,000. You invest there. That will be one of the finest place you can stay for 2 weeks. That is the best place. During the leave, you can accomplish the training. Improve your talking skills and practice in front of the mirror and create the climate. So this is one thing. You have to have the colleagues with the good communication skills, and study wise climate has to be created. You have to create such a manner with which everyone can gets benefited. If you can't create, at least you can go for my YouTube channel and you can go through online classes. Now clearing the ACC exam for officers. For the Army Cadet College, the best study material is my YouTube channel. Yes, I am damn sure that I knew what exactly the Army Cadet College is. I had gone through all those SK books and all. So don't go for any kind of books. You better go through all whatever has been given in my YouTube channel. All the playlist is very useful for you guys. I am damn sure how exactly it can be cleared. You have everything to clear, understand the questions you get in exams. Everything it is there in playlist. Every question, every video is helpful for you. I am there to help in SSB also. If you want me to guide an SSB, that is Service Selection Boards, how exactly to be done, you can call me. Then I'll help you in cracking that exam also. You all feel free to call, because I am the ex-Navy guy. I knew how to exactly do it. So you better prepare very well. I am there to help, guys. Really, I am telling this. Focus more on the cracking the written examination. This is very important. Once before going to the any kind of written examination, you have to go through your unit level interviews. The communication skills have to be mandatory. So you clear all those interviews from your unit and sit in examinations. Clear the examinations whatever you have. Syllabus, that is the same syllabus, maths, GK and everything, it is given in the whatever in my YouTube channel. Go through physics, chemistry, that common syllabus. So you will have this ACC exam gets cleared. Then once you are clear, and focus on SSB procedure, which is very important. The SSB procedure, as you can see to the right side, how exactly you will be having the SSB near about 4 to 5 days, but you have to clear first day, that is reasoning and picture PPDT has to get clear on the first day. What exactly reasoning questions we will have? We will have few figures and reasoning questions that has to get clear. Once you are clear in that, then you have to go through the PPDT, that is picture perception and description test. So in this, what exactly happens is you will be shown one picture and you have to write the positive story towards that story, and then you have to discuss whatever you had written in the group. that discussion helps you a lot. You have to be as a leader and you have to lead that story in a positive manner, which will help you a lot. And the way you speak in that, then you will be cleared in that for the further 4 to 5 days. If you got selected, you have to go through the lecturate as well as GTO task, group planning exercise, and individual obstacles, and you'll have the final interview. All those have to clear in various stages for the next 4 days. Once you have cleared the SSB, then wait for the call letter for the joining in OTA, that is Officers Training Academy, which is that is ACC. Be polite once you got clear and focus on the job properly till you join. This is one thing you have to important. You have to be more cautious once you are cleared all those interviews. Once you go back to the unit, be polite as well as behave properly and focus on the job as usual. You can't make a wrong impression before going to the training. That is one thing. Do the formalities, whatever has to be done. So while doing the training at academy, be cautious during the academy, perform well and be polite with one and all. You can't be arrogant towards your seniors. Show the interest towards the nature of the work and training and academics. If you fail to perform well in academics, you will get the branches as per your merit. So that branches will be allotted as per your merit as well as your background of whatever the branch you have. If you are good enough in the same branch, you can become an officer in the same branch itself. That depends on your performance towards your profession, whatever the training. The more percentage in academics, the merrier you get the job profile. The best percentage whoever is get, the best job profile you will get, and you will be having the great promotion also. Now you will be promoted as a lieutenant. Once the training is finished, then you will be promoted to the lieutenant and transferred to the maiden posting wherever is applicable. Then he will be transferred as per the branch and the location. If he is interested, he can opt for various field in order to have the interest in the field of sports, adventurous activities, and para commandos and paratrooper. If he is good at sports, he can go for shooting. As you can see, Rajavardhan Singh Rathore example. Adventurous sports are there. Hot air ballooning we have, even I had done in Navy, and there are various water sports. Whatever the sports you have, then you can directly go through that, as well as paratrooper and all. If you can jump, if you want to live life different lifestyle, then opt for a paratrooper. There are various branches, you can directly go through them. The performance of an officer is always commendable and should do his best to do his any difficult tasks. We knew that the officer is the one who will be standing ahead and will be performing well, and you have to perform during the whole life of your defense career. Clear all the exam and promoted up to the brigadier and above. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the performance based, that leads his career towards the higher rank, and he can reach up to the rank of brigadier and above, be promoted as per the nature of duties and place of posting. This is one thing you have to remember. After you had finished all these physical as well as you will become lieutenant. Once you reach the maiden posting, then your performance is well and you have to clear some departmental exams to get the each and every rank above. After some period, then you will be given the great recognition and you will be even sent to the various embassies also, for foreign embassies. So there you will be, as a DA, will be opting over there, and you can even get the rank of brigadier and above. You will become even a flag officers and branch also you will be getting. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the women officer is also promoted for the greater rank. So these are the few things you have to remember. So these are all which is very important. Whatever the slides I had prepared, you can directly go through once and twice to understand what exactly to be done during the time of selection. This is important, guys. I want you guys to focus on whatever you knew, whatever you have in this YouTube channel will help you towards your successful life. And I am damn sure that my communication skills will help you in understanding the way you have to speak with the people. This is the best channel among all the channels. You go for it, you will have it. I am damn sure you will get selected. If you got selected, I am very thankful. At least give me a call. Sir, we got selected. That feels very happy in motivating me to make more videos. That is one thing we are expecting. Thank you, guys. Whoever has done whatever the content you have been downloaded and whatever has been done in online or offline, I request you guys to donate for me in a mobile, like we knew that how you can donate, that is through WhatsApp. That will help you a lot, or to Google Pay you can donate on this mobile number with your name and profile. That will be very helpful for me and to do more activities like this. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys. This is my mobile number. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.